Hello, young people. Do you enjoy vegetables? We're going on a fantastical veggie journey today. Do you know where vegetables come from? Let's find out. First, they're tiny seeds. With the help of sunshine and water, they grow big and become vegetables. Some veggies grow underground, like carrots and potatoes. Some hang out on plants, like tomatoes and eggplants. Veggies have roots, leaves, and fruits. Roots suck up water and nutrients from the soil. Leaves use sunlight to make food. The fruit is the yummy part we get to eat. Veggies are super good for us. They give us strength, energy, and health. We can even use them to make delicious dishes. Can you think of a dish you could make with veggies? Eat veggies. Stay healthy. That was our veggie magic adventure. Remember to eat your veggies for a healthy you. Bye. See you on the next magical journey.